the streets since I was young.
Streets killed me.
Hey! You gotta be quicker than that, buddy.
Make fun of me, but will they pick a fight with me? Nah. Fuck that. Who wants to pick a fight with a guy punching metal? For fun.
You might have some accurate hits, I'll admit that. But even if I fall down, I'm gonna get back up and keep going.
Fucking insane, bro. Oh my god.
I've been shot twice, and yet I still got back up.
You. Calm down, partner.
Why you on your knees?
Get down, boy. Get down.
Show up and then
Baby girl, just listen. Easy come, easy go. That's just what they say.